Got my key, Slim Jims. Dadgummit. She's a bit cold. She's kind of cold. It's right here.
No, start, come on.
Yeah, we'll go, boy. First thing we're going to fix is this daggone ignition switch. Tired of getting in under here and under the hood and having to start this every time. Got that wire?
Wait, stop, oh, wait, a little more, oh.
Come on.
Oh, yep. Oh.
Get that wire. Oh, there we go. Well, too much. Give me some back. Got enough up there?
Oh, yeah. Oh, right.
It's a,
Yeah.
are we routed clear of all the turbos?
Yeah, all turbos are clear.
Clear the turbos, don't want to melt that wire. Okay. Let's see here. Go to that thing right there.
Okay.
That 10 meter handle.
Yes.
Right there. Okay, so you're good?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Snip this right here. And then we'll put this here. Ring terminal on there. Put this right there. Well, she's shrinking good. Perfect. Hopefully I don't have to use my other key. It's going to be really bad if I have to get a new key made. I spent a lot of money on this key. I don't want to have another key made. There we go. I've been waiting for this for a while.
No, start, come on.
Got this custom shifter knob right here. My brother gave this to me. Donated it to the project. I can tell by the feel of it, cutting down our shift times by at least half a second.
What?
Get it on there. I can feel it right now. Using some 6-second epoxy right here. You can glue a whole motor back together with that.
Decent.
May be harmful if swallowed. That in there. That's all you gotta do right here. Oh yeah. See, you always want to give your air intake a real thorough inspection, because as you can see, we've got some issues here with the coupler that goes onto the throttle body and onto the mass airflow sensor.
Well, that might be a problem.
Looks like there's quite a bit of dirt in there. That's okay. That's okay. Glad we caught this now. Get that fixed right up. Nothing like some good throttle body cleaner. Clean out your throttle body. Well, we pulled the plugs out and might have spotted a little bit of something going on this plug right here.
That's why she split.
Here. Well, look at that. That just cleaned up good as new. Not spitting no more. As you can see here, we have a bolt broke off in the exhaust manifold, causing a large exhaust leak.
Well, that might be your problem.
And you may ask, what are you going to do, Dusty Ray? The answer is simple. What we do in a situation like this, we put a nice good sized C-clamp on there, vice grip. Bell and wire works too. You just put that up in there. Give it a nice squeeze.
Decent.
And that's good as brand new right there. Guarantee you. You hungry?
Yes.
What you want to eat?
Some KFC.
You gonna go get some KFC?
Yes, sir.
Alright, let's get some KFC. Oh, KFC, here we come! On here, there we go. There we go. What you want?
I don't know. Want me,
Hi, welcome to KFC. Order when you're ready.
Yeah, can I get a...
I'll get them honey barbecue. Barbecue, no, them Smoky Mountain barbecue. Or the Nashville. Get the Nashville hot ones.
Which one do you want?
The Nashville hot. Nashville hot. See,
What
this
is that?
new. It's, I don't know, it's chicken.
You want the basket?
No. You see where it says Nashville hot? That's
Yeah,
what
I
want.
see the Nashville
Yes, that's
hot.
what I hunt.
What, but you want the meal?
Yes. I want the 3-piece tenders. With,
Can I get the
no,
Nashville?
get the 6-piece tenders. It's a big basket. We can share.
Hang on. Make up your mind.
I'm sorry, what was that?
Give me just a second.
Get the Nashville hot big basket, 6 tenders.
That's $10.
We can share.
I don't want.
Fine,
the hot
get the
one.
3-piece.
I
for
need
me.
I need a Nashville hot 3-piece tender meal.
Alright, and would you like anything to drink with that?
What are you gonna drink?
Mountain bar skeet.
Yeah, can I have a mountain barrel skeet, please? Dusty Ray with my co-pilot here. Worked at KFC. Boy, this baby, she's just a purring. Got our mountain barrel skeets right here. Yes, sir. About to get down on some chicken.
Dear Lord, baby Jesus, or as our brothers to the south call you, Jesus.
We didn't get to take the exploder down to Mexico and get any runs in and rerun the Cummins boys because slave cylinder's on its way out. Won't go into gear, give me a little bit of fits, but we're going to get it back on the road no time. In the meantime, grab you a barrel skeet and a Slim Jim right here. Have yourselves an awesome week coming up. Stay tuned in next weekend. We're going to be back at it, guaranteed. See you later.